Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in again. I have a very special gift for everybody for the new year to help out. I'm very excited to tell you what it is, but I'm not going to do that right away. Are you excited? Are you eager to hear what it is? Well, let's get to it then. All right, so here's the big secret. So we've decided that to start the new year out the right way, and because we appreciate all of these incredible people who are starting to subscribe to our channel. I know we're growing and we're small, but you know what? We love each and every one of you very, very much. And so to help you out, because you're here helping us out at the beginning, we decided here at the Richest You University to give you our Mastering Money course for free for the next 48 hours. That's right, this course that we worked on for a huge amount of effort and a long time to get it just right and perfect to be able to help anyone who takes that course learn to understand how money works and master their own finances and help it to grow into an abundant source of joy and opportunity for them. We boiled that all down into a course and put it online and have been selling it for quite some time now. But because people are starting to actually pay attention to our videos and actually comment with us and share with us, because you're with us from the beginning, we want to give back to you and thank you for all of the help and support that you've given to us, even just in this short amount of time. We really, really sincerely appreciate it. So the exciting thing about it is that there's actually a summary or an intro at the beginning, and then 7 different modules, and then a summary at the end. And there's actually about 64 different lessons actually. So that means that includes quizzes, videos, and handouts. There's going to be quizzes that you have to take after you watch the video, plus you have to fill out the handouts. So it really is a comprehensive course with step-by-step instructions on how to make sure that you're learning the information and integrating it into your life and actually applying it. See, now that's the real secret right there. You can have this course and take this information, but it only works for you if you use it. See, that's when they say, the disclaimer, right? Everybody says, oh, well, I'm not an expert at this or I'm not an expert at that. Everything that I've learned in my life to help find the success that I've found and to build the successful businesses that I've built is in that course waiting for you to use it also. However, it's up to you to actually apply it, and how you apply it is exactly what makes the difference between someone who grows faster compared to someone who takes a little bit longer. It depends on what each person's goals are, how serious they are about actually integrating that information into their lives as well. So the time frame that this is going to happen in is from the moment this video goes live until 48 hours later. You will be able to sign up for the Richest You Mastering Money course completely free. The link is down below, so make sure you use the discount code that's provided for you in the description. And even better, make sure you make some comments or ask questions when you're going through the course. The whole point of the course is to find out more information about exactly what you need. I'm going to give you all of the information you need inside of the course. However, it will help me to refine it more for each individual if you comment and ask questions. That's a really wonderful way to have it customized to exactly what fits your specific life circumstance. So again, we're giving away the Richest You Mastering Money course from the moment this video went live for the next 48 hours. As our holiday gift and New Year gift to everybody who's been watching and everyone who's been supporting us. And I have to say this again. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments, for all of the great questions, for everyone who's reviewed and watched all of our videos, especially for a special user out there who actually wished me well when I lost my mother. So I really appreciate the kind thoughts and the kind words. And the support. We're trying to do and offer up the best information that we have access to, and hopefully that we find everywhere, anywhere that you could possibly look. The idea here is for us to give you what we know for sure works because I've used it in my own life. Our team has used it in our own life. So remember, again, the link is down below. Make sure you use the code that's provided so that you don't get charged. And here's something to remember too. This course is actually a $297 value. That's a $297 retail value that we're offering as a gift to all of our subscribers for the next 48 hours for free. That is how much we appreciate each and every one of you. So here's to a very happy holidays for everybody and a very happy new year and abundant new year for each and every one of you. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll see you again real soon.